Welcome to
That costs what?
a series where I shock you with how much we paid to get everything started on this homestead. Up next, we have our Osborne wood fireplace insert. When we moved in, the fireplace insert that was here was beautiful, but it was a safety hazard and needed to be replaced. Having a wood burning stove was a lifelong dream for us, helping us endure winter and keeping the homestead cozy. It takes about 13 logs a day to keep the house warm, and we definitely don't regret spending $6,076 for a complete replacement. If you don't believe me, here's the receipt. See you tomorrow.